All right, we are going to do something a little different for the next 2 days. So here in activity 1.18 or whatever, wherever you are, you're in your ebook, right? What I want you to do is go up here to where it says grade 9 springboard and click on that down arrow. And then you're going to go down to where it says grade 9 springboard writing workshop and click on that. Maybe it might pop up. There we go. So you will then come up here to the table of contents, and yours will look like this. You'll come up here to the table of contents, and then you'll have the introduction. Click next until you see here, activity 1, discovering the elements of a multi-paragraph literary analysis essay. Okay, so click next, next, next until you see this, and then click on that. Okay, so we are going to go through the process of writing a literary analysis. You already did this last year, but to kind of jog your memory just a little bit. So when you respond to a piece of literature by writing an essay, you demonstrate a thoughtful understanding of what you read. To craft a comprehensive analysis, use text evidence along with your own original commentary to analyze the literature and the author's specific purposes. Okay, so we're going to come down and we are not actually going to do it for this story. Don't even worry about reading it. I mean, you can, it's a really good story, but we are not going to analyze this story. Okay, you are going to use the story on 1.18. Okay, you've already done the chart on 1.18. And now we're going to go down here to, it says a deeper analysis of theme. So when analyzing a text for the theme the author is conveying to readers, it is important that the analysis extends beyond a basic summary or literal understanding. So use these questions to consider 3 levels of meaning that will help deepen your thinking and analysis of the theme. So these are those level 1, level 2, and level 3 questions that we had talked about. Okay, the literal meaning is a level 1. What is the key idea or main message about life presented in the text? Level 2 is the interpretive meaning. What are the personal connections, what you get out of the story personally in relation to your own life, or moral considerations, what the story teaches us about how people relate to one another in the world we live in? Or the level 3 is the universal meaning. What does the text reveal to the reader about people, life, and issues as they work together in the universe? Remember, this is that world view that we're talking about. And we're looking for universal meanings, okay? So I want you to do number 3, but I want you to do it for the story in 1.18, which is There Will Come Soft Rains. So identify and discuss possible themes in There Will Come Soft Rains. So you're going to do a literal meaning, a level 1, an interpretive meaning, a level 2, and a universal meaning, level 3, okay? And then you are going to identify the subject or conflict of the short story, There Will Come Soft Rains. Okay, remember, we're using the story from 1.18. Then I want you to write a sentence stating the main or central idea or theme. Pick a theme from There Will Come Soft Rains. And then write just a short paragraph, few sentences, supporting your interpretation with the evidence from the story. Okay, just a few sentences. If you have any questions, please let me know.